Surprise! Hello everyone, I am your friend Sharav, and you know why I was making a heart? Because it's Mother's Day. Before we start, I put my painting costume. I am back. Let's get started. When we go outside, sometimes the evening sky looks pinkish. Did you see that? I saw that. I am mixing magenta and deep red. The orange color. This is the full painting, final painting, and we use tape for this, but I have my mom and me giving flowers, and we both love each other. It's easy. Try this. Take a little help of your dad or mom or parents, or anytime you want. Bye bye. This video is all about